You ever just stay at your kitchen like, what can I cook that's fast, fire, and filling? That was me today, and boom, this delicious macaroni twist happened. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and zero stress. This isn't just macaroni, this is spicy, saucy, comfort in a plate kind of meal. So if you're just craving something different, this is your sign to try it out. Let me run you through how I made it. So I'm going to be listing all the ingredients in the description box. Do not worry, just feel free to check the description on the ingredients I used. Start by boiling your macaroni in salted water and make sure to add oil. Don't forget to stir so it doesn't stick. Cook till it's al dente, not soggy. Once it's done, drain and set aside. In a pan, add some oil. I made use of the oil in the sardines and butter. Toss in your onions, garlic, and rough blended scotch bonnet. Saute and let the aroma eat. So I added butter because I wanted to build flavor, and we all know that butter smells so nice. So if you had butter, you can add butter, and if you don't, you can skip and just make use of your oil, or instead add sesame oil. It still builds flavor. Okay, what we want to do here is build flavor. So go in with your chopped tomatoes. Saute, stir, sizzle it down till the oil separates and the flavor starts smelling like destiny. Then go ahead and add in your tomato paste. You let that fry, okay? You let that fry together with, all of the stuffs in the pan. Let it fry. That's why you have to, you can lower the heat and cover your pan and, let everything cook together till the oil separates. And like I said, you must have built your flavor by then. So it's time to build depth. Go ahead and add your curry, your thyme, your seasoning cubes, and a pinch of salt. And stir together, okay, and let all of that soak and marry all that goodness that you've just added, okay. And afterwards, you can add in your protein. Okay, you can add in your sausages, your meat, your chicken, anything that it is you want to use as protein, okay. But I made use of sardines, okay, so I just covered this and let everything marry together, like I said. And I added in my sardines, and I'm just gonna stir so that my sardine can soak in all the goodness that I've been building. And I'm gonna add in pasta water. If you don't have pasta water, you can add water, okay. That's why don't discard the pasta water, just add in water, stir and let that cook again. Let it cook. Now bring that macaroni and pour it right in. Mix it well. Make sure every single piece is coated in that spicy sauce. You can adjust by adding your pasta water if needed, okay. After all of that is done, then let it simmer for a few minutes so the flavor enters properly. Just look at that color, like it is bright, vibrant, and packed with vibes. So this is the point where you add in your onions, your veggies, anything you want to add, okay, for all the vibes. So just add in all of that, let it simmer, give it a little taste, adjust your salt or seasoning if needed. This right here is what I call simple luxury. So I went ahead and garnished with boiled eggs. I boiled my eggs and I divided into two, and I just added just for that color, that vibes. So go ahead and plate it hot, serve with cold juice or water, and enjoy in peace. This meal saved me from overthinking dinner, and I'm sure it will save you too. Love what you saw? Save this video and tag your foodie friend, and follow Vineta Cooks for more quick delicious meals that never miss. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.